National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a tornado warning for east central Greene County in south central Wisconsin until 7:15 p.m. At 6:39 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Monticello, or near Monroe, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and half-dollar-size hail. Source: radar-indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Monticello, Albany, and Attica. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.